Hello, my name is Peter Simpson. I'm a psychologist and the Managing Director of BSS. This is one of a series of short videos dealing with the COVID-19 crisis. When is self-isolation required? Self-isolation is required if you've been in close contact with the person who's been diagnosed with COVID-19. Secondly, if you've arrived within the last 14 days from an identified area of possible infection, overseas or interstate. If you are in isolation during the 14 days, you must stay at home, except for essential trips for supplies and appointments such as medical appointments. You must avoid public places, including work, school, childcare, university or other such areas. Only people who usually live with you should be in the home with you. Do not see visitors. Wear a surgical mask if leaving home. What impact can self-isolation have? Well, the common effects of isolation include a loss of your social engagement, feelings of boredom and loneliness, a lack of access to your usual coping strategies, such as going to the gym or attending religious or other meetings, a loss of routine and meaningful activities, which again lead to boredom, increased anxiety about your own and your family's health, loss of income and so on. Strong and unusual feelings such as anger and resentment, increased conflict with others in the home. So how can we better cope with isolation? Firstly, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Get enough sleep. Eat a healthy diet. Exercise at home if you're capable. So set up a gym in a spare room, do some exercise around the yard, whatever. Avoid using alcohol to cope with the stress and boredom of isolation. Contact the Employee Assistance Program and access phone-based or video counselling. Stay connected to other people. Your face-to-face interactions may be limited, but you can access social support by phone calls, text messages, social media. Arrange regular virtual face-to-face interactions by video with people like your parents, siblings, children, and so on. Maintain contact with work. It's important to stay busy. Staying busy establishes a daily routine and will provide a sense of order and purpose to your day. Establish a daily routine to foster a sense of order and purpose. Really important that you start your day at the usual times and in the usual manner. Get dressed for your normal day. Don't spend all day in your pajamas. Do your daily household chores. That will start the day off with some achievement. Make regular healthy meals. Set up a daily schedule for exercise, work, breaks and so on. Keep in contact with work. And lastly, maybe use this as an opportunity to get on top of that unfinished household project that you've been putting off. Strategies to stay positive. Staying positive is important. Avoid catastrophizing. Be realistic in your assessment of the situation and your ability to cope. In the end, most of us will get through this. Talk to people. Check if your thinking is accurate. If you're isolated and alone, your thinking can get out of control. As soon as you start talking with other people, it will actually bring that back to a more realistic level. Focus on the practical things that you can do. Accept the things that you can't change. Use the internet to find applications to boost resilience. These might be things like relaxation exercises, mindfulness. There's a whole range of things out there which can help you. And focus on the positive reasons for your isolation. You're reducing the possibility of infection for others, especially the most vulnerable in our community. Lastly, remember your EAP is here to help. Throughout this crisis, professional counselling is available through Griffin Psychology. It's available for you and your immediate family members, partners and dependent children. During the COVID-19 crisis, professional counselling is available through your EAP providers. If you're in Western Australia, South Australia or Victoria, contact BSS Employee Assistance, 1800 30 30 90. If you're in Queensland or New South Wales, contact Griffin Psychology, 1800 056 076. Counselling is available 24/7 by phone and video.